Kiama kiria kiramataga muthako wa urui wa ngundi guku bururi-ini ni Kioback mwaka muhituku ni tuone gikigumirwo ni ngucanio cia utongoria undu uria wacungiririe muthako uyu kugaya ikiro-ini imwe. Guku mucini wa Nairobi, ngucanio cia Novices Boxing Championships ni irahurirwo mwaki muthi wa ira na ciathi na mbere muthenya wa umuthi na iria iguciriria athaki kuma guothe bururi-ini. Bitika ici matanya macio ni guteithiriria athaki kwambatira kuma gikiro kimwe nginyagia kiria kingi uthaki-ini wa ngundi niguo kumahe kanya ga utungata thiini wa bitika itiganite thiini wa thi.
Single stages, all right. We have started with the novices. The next tournament, of course, which is going to be intermediate. Then after intermediate, we are now going to embark on our national league. After the national league, the next biggest tournament is going to be Kenya Open, where we are going to select our national team that is going to do duty for 2019 and 2020.
Oho ahariria ngucanio ici mari na mubango wa guteithiriria athaki na mataro ma mwanya gutigirira matinorera uthaki-ini uyu wa ngundi.
We need to bring that back to the institutions, boxing, and in terms of welfares. You see, the boxers, they don't have welfare. We don't have insurance for the boxers. You see, if you box, there's one day you leave the ring and go do your business. We need to entrepreneur them, to show them how to do business.
Hitaitano ici iri iratabanĩrio nyũmba-inĩ ya Charter Hall guku Nairobi igakorwo igitirihwo muthi wa Jumamothi. Handu-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.